Here we are, ready for another day at Topcast. This session is dedicated to discussing how to keep your car running smoothly and safely. Maintaining your vehicle properly ensures its longevity, reliability, and performance. In this video, we'll provide you with 10 essential tips for effective vehicle maintenance, each discussed in detail to help you keep your car in optimal condition. Whether you're a new driver or a seasoned car owner, these tips will offer practical advice and actionable steps to maintain your vehicle efficiently and avoid costly repairs. Let's delve into each point to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. And now, let's get underway. Regularly check and change the oil. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and regular oil changes are crucial. Check your oil level monthly and change it as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Using the correct type and grade of oil improves engine performance and longevity. Clean oil reduces friction, wears, and prevents engine overheating. Inspect and replace air filters. Air filters prevent dirt and debris from entering the engine. A clogged air filter can reduce engine efficiency and increase fuel consumption. Inspect your air filter every 6 months and replace it if it's dirty or clogged. This simple step ensures better airflow and improved engine performance. Monitor tire pressure and tread. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency, handling, and safety. Check your tire pressure monthly and before long trips using a reliable pressure gauge. Inspect the tire tread for wear and tear. Replace tires when the tread is too worn to maintain traction. Rotating your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles helps even out wear and extend their lifespan. Maintain the cooling system. The cooling system prevents your engine from overheating. Regularly check the coolant level and top it up as needed. Flush and replace the coolant according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Inspect hoses and the radiator for leaks or damage to ensure the system is functioning properly. Keep an eye on the battery. A well-maintained battery ensures your vehicle starts reliably. Clean the battery terminals and check for corrosion. Test the battery's charge and replace it every 3 to 5 years or when it shows signs of weakening. Keeping the battery in good condition prevents unexpected breakdowns. Inspect brakes regularly. Brakes are critical for your safety. Listen for unusual noises like squeaking or grinding, which can indicate worn brake pads or rotors. Have your brakes inspected by a professional at least once a year and replace components as necessary. Maintaining your brakes ensures safe stopping and prevents more costly repairs. Replace wiper blades. Clear visibility is essential for safe driving. Inspect your wiper blades regularly and replace them if they are streaking, skipping, or making noise. Ideally, replace wiper blades every 6 months to a year, or sooner if they show signs of wear. Check fluid levels. Regularly check all vehicle fluids, including transmission, brake, power steering, and windshield washer fluids. Low or dirty fluids can cause significant damage to your vehicle. Top up or change fluids as recommended by your manufacturer to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Schedule regular tune UPS. Regular tune-ups help maintain your vehicle's performance. A tune-up typically includes checking the engine's components, such as spark plugs, and ensuring everything is running efficiently. Follow your vehicle's maintenance schedule for tune-ups to prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Your vehicle's manufacturer provides a maintenance schedule specific to your car's make and model. Adhering to this schedule ensures all parts are inspected, maintained, and replaced at the appropriate intervals. Regular maintenance helps prevent breakdowns and extends the lifespan of your vehicle. That concludes our video on essential vehicle maintenance tips. By regularly checking your oil, monitoring tire pressure, and following a consistent maintenance schedule, you can keep your car running efficiently and safely. Your presence is valued. Have a fantastic day.